Welcome to Vendor Enhance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform basic Shopify vendor tags into rich brand profiles that showcase your suppliers beautifully across your entire store. Let's start with an example wine retailer. We have products from two vendors, Silverstone Ridge Estate and Ember Hill Vineyards. Like most Shopify stores, these are currently just simple text tags with no additional information. Let's change that. From your product list page, click More Actions, and you'll see Vendor Settings in the drop-down. Click that, and you'll see a list of all vendors in your store. Notice each vendor shows a product count. Silverstone Ridge has 3 products. Ember Hill has 1. This helps you understand which vendors are most important to showcase. Let's click Edit next to Silverstone Ridge. Now we're on the vendor detail page. First, we can change the display name from the basic Silver Ridge tag to something more polished, like Silverstone Ridge Estate. Add a compelling description that tells your brand's story. You can add a website URL so customers can learn more. Upload a logo by clicking Change and selecting from your Shopify files. Add region information, in this case, Napa Valley's Stag's Leap District. Include certifications and accolades that build trust, like organic certifications or awards. All of these fields are completely customizable, so you can label them however makes sense for your industry. Now, how do we show this on the actual website? Navigate to your theme editor and open any product page. Decide where you want the vendor information to appear. For this example, we'll place it between the product information and recommended products section. Click Add Block, go to Apps, and select Vendor Information. The block appears in your theme. Give it a clear name like Vendor Information so you can find it easily later. Now let's customize how it looks. First, I'll change the logo size to full width so that beautiful Silverstone Ridge logo really stands out. In the Typography section, I'll increase the title size to large. Notice the Find Out More button? That automatically links to the vendor's website and opens in a new window. You can customize the button text in settings if you prefer something like Visit Vineyard or Learn More about this producer. I'll adjust the border and padding to match our theme's aesthetic. Click Save. Now let's see it in action on the live store. Here's our Cabernet Sauvignon from Silverstone Ridge. There's the beautiful vendor profile below. Click on another product from the same vendor, like the Chardonnay. Same vendor information appears automatically. Try a product from a different vendor? You'd see their unique profile instead. Products without vendor tags? No block appears, so your pages stay clean. What if you want to hide vendor information on a specific product? Simple. Go to that product's admin page. Let's use this rosé as an example. Scroll down to Hide Vendor Info and set it to True. Save the product. Refresh the storefront and the vendor block is gone. Back in Vendor Settings, click the Settings tab in the top right. Here you can customize the block title, maybe About the Producer for wine, or About the Manufacturer for other industries. Change the Call to Action button text. Customize the labels for your information fields. Region could be Manufacturing Location. Certifications could be Quality Standards. Make it work for your business. The vendor block is completely flexible. In the theme editor, you can drag it anywhere in your product page layout. Want it directly under the Buy Now button? Drag it there. Below product details, move it there. The information adapts to wherever you place it, maintaining your theme's design. Here's what makes Vendor Enhance unique. Your vendor data is preserved even if you temporarily remove all products from a supplier or archive seasonal items. All that work the logos, descriptions, certifications, stays safe in your system. That's Vendor Enhance. Transform basic vendor tags into professional brand profiles. Display them beautifully on your storefront, and never lose vendor information again.